Welcome traders, welcome to this channel. It's been a while. I'm no longer posting much these days because I am trading much. So there's a time to teach and there's a time to trade. And it is the time to trade. And if you want to trade with me, you can always join the Signal group. Okay? You can join the Signal group. I always share the signals in the Signal group, so you can just join here. It's a once-off payment and enjoy the signals. But if you are not ready, you can just join the free Telegram group, free channel. This is where I post the results every day. So let's come here. I just want to remind you on the strategy, how you are supposed to trade this thing. And if you don't want to be in the Signal group, you can just buy the PDF. The link is in this video description. What you will find in the PDF, let me just clarify this. You will find sort of like a table. And then in the table, you will find the session, and then you will find the time, and then you will find the pair to trade. So you can find, okay, let's say under the session, let's say you have London opening, and that is 9 a.m. in GMT plus 2. That is where you trade Euro USD and maybe GBP USD. So you have GU and other pairs. You will see them in the PDF. What you do when London session opens, like in this case, okay, you open the indicator. I'll show you how to set it up. So when London session opens, you just mark the first candle of the 5 minutes time frame, like I did here. It's a very simple strategy. Mark, okay, I marked the first candle on the 5 minutes time frame like this, and then if price closes below like that, you just sell. So that's why the first signal here, let me show you, was a sell on Euro USD. Okay, where is today? Here it was a sell on Euro USD because price closed below, and then that sell didn't go really far. Okay, this was the sell on Euro USD. Okay, we took some partial profits, and then price returned. It then came to close above this key level that you have drawn. So this becomes your guiding mark. But all that you do it within the London session. So when price came to close above, we closed the sell, took a buy, and that was it. You do the same GBP USD. Okay, we did the same. We started with a sell, and then we went on to take a buy. So that's all that we do, and that's what you will find in the PDF. Some people get confused that we didn't find any strategy. There is, on the second page, there are VIP strategies that give you the clue on how to trade. The pair, or let me say the table, will only give you the sessions in which you are supposed to trade these pairs. When you are supposed to trade USD CAD, NZD CAD, in light of all the other sessions, the Tokyo, the London, the New York, the right pairs to trade. So if you have the PDF and you understand it very well, you can trade throughout the day. You can trade throughout the day. But for me, I only trade the London session, and it's enough for me. It's enough for me. So that is how you trade this thing. Maybe I can show you how to set up the indicator. Let's just delete this one. Let's go where there is, this trade is still running. Let's go where there's no trade. So what you do, you go to indicators, you look for sessions by Lux Algo. You can even type there sessions, it's this one, sessions Lux Algo in square brackets. You just click and then you close. This is what shows up. You go to the settings, you scroll to the bottom, remove the daily divider. Let's leave these ones. Okay, I like to have black here because I have a white background. Okay, you can remove Tokyo, remove that one, and then you press OK. That's if you are trading the London session based on the PDF. If it's now time for the New York session, you go to the settings, you select New York, you remove London, you press OK, and then you can trade the pairs that are tradable on the New York session. The sessions play a very major role in the Forex market. This is the only reason why price dropped here. It's because the New York session opened. When the New York session opened, it made an effect on price. Price was moving upwards during the London session. And then when New York opened, there was this movement. Okay, I'm not giving you a strategy on USD JPY. You are not supposed to trade it during this time. Okay, because you won't find winning trades most of the time. See here, there was no major movement. There was no major movement. It's only the PDF that's going to give you a good picture of which pair are you supposed to trade at what time. When that time comes or when that session opens, all you do is mark the first candle of the 5 minutes time frame, and then if price closes below, you just sell. Do this like you are a robot. Okay, I like to have very tight stops. My stops are always less than 20 pips. Most of the time it's 10 pips, 10 to 15 pips, nothing more than that. Okay, nothing more than that. I can just show you here. It was 17 pips. Here it was 14. Here 10. Here it's 12. Okay, so I like to have very tight stops for people who are trading small accounts. I don't want them to have a huge drawback or drawdown. So it is like that. It is like that. Thank you for watching. If you don't have a clear understanding, just watch my previous videos. They are going to give you a clear picture of how to trade this thing. I've been teaching it for a very, very long time. So I no longer show up every day on this channel. Just keep learning from the previous videos. If there is anything new that is working, I will definitely come to teach you so that we can benefit from the market. We can all benefit. Okay, thank you for watching.